Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on reading maps. Map reading is a very important skill that comes in very handy in all walks of life. The first thing that comes to mind is a street directory. When you open a street directory, you will notice that it has two main axes. One is horizontal and the other is vertical. Each of these axes has numbers or letters on them. These help you to locate any point on a map. To locate any particular point, you do the following. You name the horizontal letter or number, and you name the vertical letter or number. So here we have what we call the first coordinate, and here is the second coordinate. So that's the first part of the answer, and that's the second part of the answer. So the intersection of these two readings will locate the desired point. So here we have some letters on the horizontal. We have some numbers on the vertical. Name the two coordinates for each of the above four pictures. Okay, so here we have this little house. This particular one here. Now we'll have to see which one that actually is. It looks more like that one, doesn't it? So it's not actually this one. So it's this one here. So the answer would be, if we do the horizontal first, we have E3. Okay, so that'll be E. So that's the first one, and then 3. Oh, sorry about that. That's not very well done there because this pen's too thick, isn't it? So that's E3. This one here, it looks like that little diagram there. A2. So that'll be A. That's a little bit better. And that's 2. That looks like a duck. The duck is here. So that'll be F5. So that's F. And then we have 5. And that looks like some sort of bridge or some construction, which is here. And that's B5. So that's B5. Next example. For the picture to the left, name the coordinates for each of the 8 pieces of food. So the first one is Twizzles, whatever that is. So we have B5. So we have a bit more room here. So that's B5. Ice cream. What do you think that would be? See if you can do that one first before me. Have a little look at it where the ice cream is. And I'm sure you can see that it's D5. So the ice cream is D5. Now to save a little bit of time, we will just name the answers now. We don't have to write them. Let's look at the chips. So there are the chips. So where do you think the chips are? Start from here. D4. So D4 will give us the chips. Tootsie Roll. Aren't they very interesting names? Tootsie Roll. There's the Tootsie Roll there. So if we start here, A3. Classic Coke. The Classic Coke is here. So we start at the beginning. C3 for Classic Coke. Snickers. Snickers are there. Always go back to the start. D2. Doritos are here. Go back to the start. B1. And the Pizza Hut is there. Go back to the start. E1. So the next example. For the above grid, answer the following questions. What are the coordinates of the two trees? So we find out where the two trees are, and here they are. Okay, so notice here we have the letters up the top and we have the numbers here. So sometimes A, B, C and D could be down the bottom. So the two trees are here. So remember, we always do the horizontal first. So it's A4. Okay, so A4. What are the coordinates of the green plants? They look like the green plants there. So if we do the horizontal first, that's C2. So C2. Now the beauty of mathematics, a lot of mathematics that we study, we can apply it to real life. So let's look at where grids and map reading can apply to real life. Some examples. Using coordinates is common in real life. Some examples are as follows. Locating a place on a street map, locating your seat in a cinema, locating your seat in a school hall, locating any point on the Earth's surface. So this video has continued to look at grids and map readings, and we've seen again how to work with coordinates, and we've seen some simple examples that apply in real life.